大家好，我係 Mr. So，今日會為大家講呢就係 Mastering Mathematics Exercise 11B Question 26審題咯。The manager of a small bakery finds that the number of sweet buns sold per day varies inversely at his price。第一件事當然認住個 keywords 啦 varies inversely as 啦。咁前面有樣嘢嘅就係 number of sweet buns sold per day， 每一日賣出嘅麵包嘅數目。後邊嗰件嘢呢 his unit price 簡單啦，你每個麵包都有價錢噶嘛。睇睇啦 ，currently a sweet bun is sold at $5， 即係5蚊一個包啦。And 120 sweet buns are sold in a day， 每日呢就賣出120個。If the unit price of a sweet bun is increased by $1, find the change in the number of sweet buns sold in a day。首先根據 n 同埋 p 嗰個 inverse variation 嘅關係呢，我哋寫一條式出嚟啦，代數字，然之後計到個 k 係68，咁我哋就有啦。原來 n 呢就等於68 over p 嘅。跟住佢話啊嘛，個 unit price 啊嘛 of 嗰個 sweet bun 就加咗1蚊啊嘛，咁就5蚊加1蚊咪6蚊咯，係咪好容易呢？當 p 等於6嘅時候，我哋計到個 n 就係100咯。咁你本身係120噶嘛，去到100咁咪即係少咗20個咯。你由原本嘅120成為而家100，咁我哋就話少咗20啦。咁會點計啊？咪新減完咯，得唔得？咁你記得總結啦。The number of buns decreased by 20。Part A 搞掂啦。Part B 我哋審齊咯。If the sweet buns are sold at a 20% discount， 好啦，佢話而家嗰個麵包呢就以20% discount 賣啦，即係8折啦。咁係乜嘢8折呢？當然係講緊個5蚊嘅8折啦。Find the percentage increase in the number of sweet buns sold in a day。好啦，即係話而家我有新嘅錢咧，會計到新嘅 n， 即係 number of buns 咁佢應該係增加嘅。咁睇到點計啦？5蚊8折你一定識計嘅，咁計到4蚊嘅。正如佢題目話啦，個 n 同個 p 咧係反變噶嘛，呢個 p 細咗嘅 n 就會大噶啦。O 唔 OK？咁而家咧就4蚊，我哋就買到150個出嚟。佢就話啦，我哋要揾嗰個 percentage in the number of sweet bun 啊嘛。OK， 好啦，擺翻啲數字。對於 n 嚟講呢，由最初嘅120升到去150，到底中間嘅 percentage 係幾多咧？話呢啲 form 1嘢嚟嘅啫喎。咁所以呢，我哋有 form 1嘅知識水平已經搞掂呢條數啦。咁就會計到係正25% 啦。咁我就話啦 ，therefore n increases by 25%。好，呢度唔好意思，原來我開頭嗰度呢就冇寫翻個設定嘅，補翻寫啦，記得啦，因為到時會俾人扣 PP 減1㗎啦。我終於明呢粒鑽石點解係鑽石題啦。嗱，如果係喺方溫嘅水平嚟講呢，我覺得就真係好似近咗少少嘅。原來粒鑽石係俾方溫嘅，多謝大家，拜拜。